Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Today I'll show you how to enable Secure Boot on your Microsoft Surface Laptop 5. First, completely shut down your Surface Laptop 5 by selecting Shutdown from the Start menu or just holding Power Off button. Now, when it's done, hold the volume up and toggle your PC on again. Keep holding it until you see the UEFI menu appearing. Now, as you guys can see, we're going into security and now change configuration to Microsoft only. Now we'll click OK and Secure Boot is enabled with Microsoft only key configuration. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and see you in the next one.